What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got a fresh cut today, you feel what I'm saying? Fresh cut, got my boy Jay. He got a fresh cut too. You heard what I'm saying? But yeah, man, what's good with y'all boy, man? This video that I'm gonna be bringing to y'all boy is gonna be a top speed and a scat. So y'all boy, let me know in the comment section what top speed you think I'm gonna hit in the scat. You feel what I'm saying? Let me know.
What top speed did y'all hit in y'all car?
Let us know in the comment section, man. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all boy a couple of posts in the video, man. I'm gonna try to spice it up for y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's only right, you know what I'm saying? I gotta break in the scat. You know what I'm saying? I had it for a year, and I feel like today is the right time to break in the scat, you know what I'm saying? It was about like 40 degrees out right now, so you know, it's cool. So it's a good opportunity to do it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all boy, let us know if y'all got, if y'all want us to do any more vlogs or more point of view drives, you know what I'm saying? Just let us know in the comment section, man. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to the GoPro and let's get this video started. Alright, man, what's good, y'all, man? So, you feel what I'm saying? We back in the scat again, and today I'm gonna be giving y'all a freaking top speed in the scat, man. I never broke in the scat yet like that. So yeah, man, so I feel like finally it's the day to break it in, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we is gonna be at Mexico today, you feel what I'm saying? We're gonna be attempting the top speed in my Dodge Charger Scatpack, and yeah, we're gonna see how it is, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take y'all boy along with me real quick and stuff like that, and we gonna get this thing popping. So I'm gonna kind of start it off right here. You know what I'm saying? That was a great first low pull in the scat. You know what I'm saying? That was definitely the speed limit, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, that was definitely the speed limit. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be the first low pull, man, in the scat. You feel what I'm saying? I didn't even see where I got up to, so yeah, man, so I'm just focusing on the road. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have your eyes on the road. You feel what I'm saying? I know we definitely got up there pretty quick. I can tell you that, man. Not as quick that I thought it would have been, you feel what I'm saying? But quick enough. So yeah. So try to go ahead and take this ramp real quick. This exit real quick. Try to go back down the other way. The scat wanna talk today, y'all. Y'all hear that thing? Sheesh. But yeah, man, we're gonna try to turn around. Go the other way real quick. So this gonna be the second attempt right here, coming off the ramp. We're gonna try at like a 60 roll or something like that if we can. Ain't no cars coming. So yeah, we're gonna try that 60 real quick. Gotta make sure you look around, you hear what I'm saying? I don't know if that's something right there or... But yeah, y'all, this is gonna be the second attempt You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw it in manual mode this time. So we starting at 50 roll. So let's get it right. I believe I seen 168, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna throw that in. Next time we're gonna not put it in manual mode. But for some reason I feel like it didn't wanna go, you know what I'm saying? Hit the 170, you heard? I don't know what's going on, man. But you know what I'm saying? That was the second attempt, man. But let's see, I feel like the Scat can do a little better than that. I know what I'm saying. The Scat is stock, of course. You feel what I'm saying? The Scat is stock, but you know what I'm saying. I feel like it got a little bit more into it. You know what I'm saying? It is about 39 degrees out, so it's a pretty good time to really do the top speed because how cold it kind of is outside. It's not cold enough to be sliding and slippery. You know what I'm saying? But it's cold enough. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see if I can try to get one more in for y'all boy. Try to see if I can get one more in for y'all boy and see, you know what I'm saying, the Scat I'm gonna do. Cause you know I'm gonna be modding up the Scat, you feel me? So I'm gonna be modding it, cause my warranty about to be up in a little bit. So I'm gonna be modding it, full bolt-on cam, you know what I'm saying, 𝒦𝗔𝗃 supercharger, on it a little 3.0 Whipple, something like that, you know what I'm saying, something like that. You feel what I'm saying? But I'ma definitely do it before and after, man, cause you know what I'm saying, it's stock right now. And I'ma try to do a tune one, top speed and tune while my Scatpack is tuned or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all boy. I feel like Mexico is really getting kind of busy. I'm gonna try to give y'all one more little poll right here. And this probably wrap it up, really. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get another good little decent poll for y'all, so hopefully this won't count, you know what I'm saying? Starting off at a little 70 rolling, I'm gonna just hit it. No, we're gonna start off at a little 60. A little 60 if you can. Alright, let's go. A little bit more, but you know what I'm saying, I'ma let it be. I'll let that, you know what I'm saying. I think I'm good with that, you know what I'm saying. Coming out of the big Scat, I'm good with that, man. So yeah, y'all boy, this is gonna wrap up the video, man. And y'all can tell I got the Lawrence spring, so y'all probably see it in the video, me going up and down, shaking, you feel what I'm saying. Yes, sir. So yeah, y'all boy, I think that was a pretty good poll, man. Let me know in the comment section about that poll right there, man. So yeah, man, I think I gave y'all about 4 good little polls in the Scat, man. If y'all boy enjoyed this video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to more. Let's get this video to at least 30 plus likes, man. Hitting the top speed and my dog charger Scatpack. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like the Scat did a good job, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's good, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, like I still got a stock. And you feel what I'm saying? I got the Lawrence Springs. Hopefully y'all can see me going up and down on the roads, because you know what I'm saying, these roads is kind of bumpy and stuff like that, and you know what I'm saying, everything good. But I think those posts was amazing for the Scat. Y'all about let me know in the comment section of how I did and how the Scat performed, man. And yeah, man, we gonna continue bringing bangers to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, this is our year to turn up, man. It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.